Congratulations on your decision to join pool funding. We have an amazingly simple peer to peer system giving our members daily cash flow and creating long term wealth with pool funding coins. This video will help you prepare your account to enjoy all the benefits of pool funding. First, we'll talk about MetaMask setup on a desktop or laptop, then setup on a mobile device, and finally, we'll connect your wallet to pool funding using your sponsor's referral link. Since there are different rules and regulations for purchasing crypto around the world, we won't be covering funding your wallet in this video. If you are not familiar with purchasing crypto, please check with your sponsor for assistance. In the description below this video, you'll find the MetaMask download link. You'll find the pool funding token addresses, which we're going to use as part of the setup, and a PDF link with the information from this video, which you may find useful to follow along. Pool funding works on a Web 3.0 platform, which connects seamlessly to the MetaMask wallet. It's important to ensure there are no other digital wallets on the browser that you choose on your desktop, which will interfere with the wallet connection to pool funding. Download MetaMask on your chosen device, either desktop, laptop, or mobile. For mobile, you can download from the App Store. The wallet is easy to download on your device, and as part of the initial setup, you'll need a password, and MetaMask will supply a 12-word seed phrase to you. Be sure to keep your password and the 12-word phrase safe and secure. In the event you need to reload your wallet for any reason, or you want to load it onto another device, you'll need both pieces of information. We're going to add tokens to your wallet as well. Now, BNB will populate automatically once we change the network. USDT, which is used for your daily transactions, PFI, PFB, and PFS for the different pools for pool funding coin. And the token addresses for those are in the descriptions below this video. You can set the view for MetaMask on your desktop. You can have a small view, which looks more like the mobile app, or you can have an expanded view, which is quite handy for those that need to see things a little bit bigger. So in the upper right-hand corner, click on the three dots and then click on Expand View, and that will give you a much more comfortable view on your desktop. The Ethereum network is the default network for MetaMask, and we want to change that to the Binance Smart Chain. So click on the Ethereum network at the top. There's a little down arrow. Click on that. And Binance Smart Chain is in the list of available networks. Click on Add and then Add Custom Network. And then approve it. When you change to the Binance Smart Chain network, the BNB coin loads automatically, and you may also see some Ethereum coins in there, which we don't need to have. So click on the down arrow beside popular networks and click on current network, which is our Binance Smart Chain, and that should remove those other coins. First, we're going to add USDT. Click on the three dots on the right hand side below Activity and then Import Tokens. In the search window, type in USDT, click on Tether USDT, click on Next, and then Import. Now we'll add a custom token. The first one we're going to add is the PFI. So if you would like to copy the PFI address from below the video, click on the three dots on the right-hand side, Import Tokens, click on Custom Token, and then paste the address in the Token Contract Address window. Check to be sure that it says PFI and token decimal 18 and click on Next. And then click on Import. And now the PFI shows up in your list of tokens. Repeat the same process for the PFB and the PFS. The token decimal will be 18 for all of the pool funding coins. Congratulations, your wallet is ready for funding. Jot down the last few numbers of your wallet address for reference later when we connect your wallet to pool funding. The Ethereum network is the default network for MetaMask, and we need to change that to the Binance Smart Chain. Click in the upper left-hand corner, scroll down to find the BNB Smart Chain, and click Add a Custom Network and approve it. And you'll see that it changes to the BNB network, a little yellow symbol in the upper left-hand corner of your wallet. We're going to add USDT. Click on Import, type USDT into the search window, select Tether USD, next, Import, and it shows in your list of tokens on your wallet. Next, we're going to add the PFI, one of the pool funding coins. So if you could copy that token address from below the video, click on Import, click on Custom Token, paste the address in the token contract address window, click on Next, check to be sure that it says PFI and token decimal 18, click on Next and Import. And you can repeat the process for PFB and PFS. And the token decimal for both the PFB and PFS is 18 as well. Congratulations, your wallet is ready for funding. Contact your sponsor if you're not sure how to fund your wallet for assistance. Jot down the last few numbers of your wallet address for reference later when we connect your wallet to pool funding. For desktop registration, paste your sponsor's referral link in a fresh browser tab. For mobile, click on the compass, which is right beside the up and down arrows in the bottom menu of your wallet. The MetaMask browser will open up. Remove the dialog in the browser box, remove poolportfolio.metamask.io, and paste your sponsor's referral link in the window. And whether you are on desktop or mobile, the next few steps will be the same. So you're going to fill out the registration form, select a username with no spaces, put in your full name, your email address, a password, check to be sure your country is correct, and verify the last few digits on your sponsor's wallet address against the referral link your sponsor gave you. Agree to the terms and conditions and click on Register. And then log in to pool funding. MetaMask will open and ask you to connect, so click on Connect. And the mobile version, you will also be asked to connect to pool funding. At this point, you can confirm that you have the correct wallet. Remember, we jotted down some information earlier, the last few digits of your wallet address. Confirm that it matches here and click on Yes. The default pool for pool funding is the $100 pool. If you're going to join the $1 pool, click on the $1 and submit. If you're joining the $10, click on 10 and submit. Now you're taken to your pool funding dashboard, but before you click the Pay Now button, let's just check a couple of pieces of information. Be sure that you see your username and you see your sponsor's username. If you see both of those, then you can click on the Pay Now button, which will activate your account. Your MetaMask wallet will open. Click on Confirm in the lower right-hand corner. Wait for it to process, and you will see a payment success bubble. You can close that, and you will see your pool funding dashboard. Now you will see your referral link. Copy that, keep it handy for future reference when you register people, and also send a copy to your sponsor. Now let's take a look at what we have on our dashboard. Starting on the left-hand side in the middle, we can see funds sent. Funds received at this point is 0. Referrals is 0. And you have your pool funding holdings, your PFI coin. Below that, we see our transaction history. It shows you the transaction hash for the transaction you just did. It will show the date and the time, where the funds came from, where the funds went, and the amount of the funds. Next to that is the referrals tab where the people that you refer to pool funding will show. And beside that, we have the received PFI tab. This is going to give you a daily breakdown of the PFI received for each payment you send to your sponsor. The PFI holdings at the top is going to be the accumulative sum of your PFI holdings in your account. Are you in more than one pool? Well, click on Change Pool, select the additional pool, hit Submit, and you can pay for that particular pool, and that pool will be activated. Remember, the next time you log in, it's going to log in at your highest selected pool. When do you pay again? Well, tomorrow, approximately 24 hours from now. Each time you click the Pay Now button, it disappears. It will reappear again in 20 hours, and you have 8 hours to make your next payment. You can manipulate the clock one way or the other to suit your schedule if you like, but most people will do it every 24 hours. Maybe set an alarm on your phone until you get used to the routine. Edit your profile. Click on the Edit Profile button and it will take you to a new window. Your name and email address will populate as well as your username. You can enter your Telegram ID, Facebook, WhatsApp, confirm that you have the correct country, and if need be, you can change your password here and you can add a picture. Once you've updated the information, click on Update Profile. If you don't have social information or you would prefer not to put it in, put N/A. What happens tomorrow? Log into Pool Funding to make your payment. On desktop, you're going to type poolfunding.io in your browser and then log in to Pool Funding from there, and MetaMask will open and you can log in. In the mobile, log into MetaMask first, go to the compass icon in the lower menu, which will open the MetaMask browser. Type in poolfunding.io and that will connect you to the login window for Pool Funding. Select your pool, and from that point on, you can make your payment. Click the Pay Now button. Your wallet will open again, confirm the payment, and wait for the Payment Success button. Are you in more than one pool? Then click Change Pool, select the next pool, go there, make your payment, and confirm it in MetaMask. Remember, the system will default to your highest pool. So if you're in the $10 and the $1, when you open up Pool Funding, it will default to the $10 pool. When you are done, be sure and log out of Pool Funding and your MetaMask wallet. For the desktop version, click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and then lock MetaMask at the bottom. On the mobile version, you can click the gear in the lower right-hand corner and click lock on the window that pops up. So there we are. You are connected and ready to go. Congratulations once again, and welcome to Pool Funding.